Ever wondered why your skin feels dry and dull during winter? Well, it's because our skin faces unique challenges during the colder months. The drop in temperature, the dry indoor heat, the biting wind, all of these can strip your skin of its natural moisture, leaving it parched and fragile. And this is why winter skincare differs from summer skincare. It's all about providing your skin the extra nourishment it craves and deserves. The secret to radiant, healthy skin in winter is understanding its unique needs during this season. Winter brings with it a whole new set of challenges for our skin. The cold air and harsh winds outside, coupled with the dry heat indoors, can strip our skin of its natural moisture, leading to dryness, dullness, and increased sensitivity. Dryness is a common issue as winter weather lacks the humidity that helps keep our skin hydrated during the warmer months. Our skin might feel tight and look flaky or dull, a clear sign that it's craving moisture. Dullness can also set in as dead skin cells build up, reflecting light poorly and giving our complexion a lackluster appearance. Regular exfoliation is key to combating this. Increased sensitivity is another winter woe. The cold weather can weaken our skin's barrier, making it more susceptible to irritants, redness, and discomfort. But don't worry, with the right skincare routine, these problems can be easily managed. So, what does an effective winter skincare routine look like? Well, let's break it down into simple, manageable steps. First off, we start with cleansing and toning. This is a crucial initial step in any regimen, but it's particularly important in winter when our skin is exposed to harsh weather conditions. Cleansing helps remove dirt, makeup, and impurities, while toning restores the skin's natural pH balance. In the winter, opt for a gentle, hydrating cleanser and a toner filled with nourishing ingredients. Now, let's move on to the cornerstone of winter skincare, moisturizing. As the temperature drops, so does the moisture level in our skin, leaving it dry and prone to flaking. A robust moisturizer not only replenishes the skin's hydration, but also forms a protective barrier against the cold, dry air. Look for products with ingredients like hyaluronic acid, ceramides, and natural oils for that extra boost of hydration. Then we come to special treatments like serums and masks. Serums are power-packed with active ingredients that target specific skin concerns. For instance, a vitamin C serum can brighten your complexion, while a retinol serum can help reduce the appearance of fine lines. Masks, on the other hand, provide an intensive treatment to revive and rejuvenate your skin. They're like a spa day in the comfort of your own home. Speaking of spa days, let's talk about weekend specials for intensive care. This is the time to indulge in deep conditioning masks and peels. These treatments penetrate deeper into the skin, providing a level of nourishment that daily skincare products might not offer. And for those who love a bit of DIY, there are countless natural skincare recipes you can whip up at home. From avocado masks to honey and oatmeal scrubs, these treatments are a fun and economical way to pamper your skin. Remember, the key to a successful skincare routine is consistency. Stick to your routine and you'll see results. Don't be discouraged if you don't see immediate changes. Like any good thing in life, beautiful, healthy skin takes time. So keep at it and your efforts will surely pay off. Did you know that what you eat can also affect your skin's health? Indeed, nutrients and vitamins play a critical role in maintaining a healthy glow. Foods rich in antioxidants like berries and those high in omega-3 fatty acids such as salmon and walnuts can help keep your skin plump and hydrated. Winter recipes such as a hearty salmon stew or a warm berry cobbler can be not only comforting but also nourishing for your skin. Incorporating these foods into your diet can give your skin an extra boost during the harsh winter months. Some of us have skin that needs extra care during winter. If you have sensitive skin, the cold and dry winter air can feel particularly harsh. Opt for gentle cleansers and moisturizers, and consider investing in a humidifier to retain moisture in your environment. Mature skin, on the other hand, may need a little more nourishment. Look for products with hyaluronic acid and collagen to boost elasticity and hydration. Weekly masks and serums can also provide an extra boost. And what about oily or acne-prone skin? You might think it's safe to skip the moisturizer, but winter can actually exacerbate oil production. Use a lightweight, non-comedogenic moisturizer to keep your skin balanced and hydrated. The key is to understand your skin's unique needs and adjust your routine accordingly. This might mean experimenting with different products or adjusting the frequency of certain treatments. Remember, the best skincare routine is the one that works for you. Listen to your skin and adjust your routine as needed.